Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to open Bubble Cloud Surf. To begin, find the Bubble Cloud Surf application icon on your device. It might be on your home screen, in your app drawer, or within a Games folder. Before launching, make sure your device has a strong, stable internet connection. This ensures all features load correctly and you have the best experience. Also, quickly check that your device meets the basic system requirements for smooth operation. Let's get started. Once you've located the icon, simply tap it one time to launch Bubble Cloud Surf. You'll likely see a brief loading screen, which usually lasts for about 5 to 10 seconds as the application prepares itself. During this initial launch, the app might ask for certain permissions, such as access to your storage or network. Please grant these permissions to ensure the application can function completely and without interruption. It's a quick and easy step. After the application loads, you'll be presented with the main interface. Take a moment to explore the various menu options, which are usually clearly labeled with intuitive buttons or icons. You can often find a settings menu, typically represented by a gear icon, where you can adjust things like sound volume or visual quality to your liking. When you're ready to dive in, simply look for a prominent play or start button to begin your exciting Bubble Cloud surfing adventure. Enjoy! To ensure the smoothest Bubble Cloud surfing experience, here are a few helpful tips. First, try closing any other applications running in the background. This frees up valuable device resources. Second, always keep your device's operating system updated to its latest version, as updates often include performance enhancements. Finally, restarting your device every now and then can help clear temporary files and keep everything running optimally. Following these simple steps will enhance your fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.